Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using two stamp sets. Here's a card along with ornate style, and this is a sweet little birthday card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using two stamp sets. We're going to be using Here's a Card and Ornate Style, and we're also going to be using the coordinating framelits or dies. I have a piece of In Good Taste Designer Series paper, and I have my VERSAMARK ink pad, and then I have this little flower, and I have this mounted on a clear block D. And I just want it right over here on the left side. And I have a regular piece of paper and some white Stampin' Emboss powder. All right. All right, and I'm going to bring in my heat tool. Give it a second to warm up. All right, and I'm going to set that aside. And then I have a piece of the shimmery white paper and my pretty pink peacock. And then I have Happy Birthday mounted on clear block C. So I'm just going to put it here in the middle. Next, I'm going to come in with my Big Shot. And then I have this frame from the Ornate Layers. And I'm going to take my pick tool. I'm just going to run this across here. Okay, so I brought in a little foam pad here. All right, I'm just going to pick out the rest of these. And for time's sake, I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera. So I got that all cleaned up. And we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of pretty peacock, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I really like the wood grain paper in this designer series paper pack because it coordinates with everything, I think. All right, so we'll just put that down. All right, and our card base is Whisper White Thick, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, and I'm just going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Three should, well, might as well put 5. All right, so just like that, then I'm going to come in with the Gilded Gems. And I just want to bring this out a little, so I think I'm just going to use these smaller ones. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!